This video does not replace the instructions for use. Please always read these instructions prior to first usage. Uro-Tainer maintenance solutions are ready-to-use disposable systems for the maintenance of indwelling urethral and suprapubic catheters. They are closed and sterile solutions and should be connected directly to these types of catheters. Uro-Tainer M NaCl is designed for routine rinsing of catheters with an additional port for substance administration like antibiotics. Before starting with the instructions for use, please note that Uro-Tainer M NaCl is placed in a sachet. As it is supplied sterile, it should not be removed from this overwrap until required for use. Pay particular attention to hygienic handling of the urinary catheter. If desired, bring the solution up to body temperature by immersing the wrapped sachet in warm water. Uro-Tainer can be administered independently by the patient if properly trained. A nurse or a family member could also administer the product if properly trained. The catheter rinsing with Uro-Tainer M NaCl is performed by gravity alone, by maintaining the device above and below the level of the bladder respectively. The bag that contains the rinsing solution collects the liquid after rinsing of the catheter. Do not use force or agitation during Uro-Tainer M NaCl administration to avoid any potential trauma to the bladder. Peel open the plastic overwrap and remove Uro-Tainer M NaCl from the sachet. Close the Uro-Tainer M NaCl tube with the clamp. Technique 1. Assemble transfer needle and vial onto the injection port using a septic technique. Squeeze saline into the vial from the Uro-Tainer M NaCl. Release pressure from the Uro-Tainer M NaCl to draw the contents of the vial into the sachet. The squeezing and release of air from the Uro-Tainer M NaCl may be repeated several times until all the solution is safely transferred. Or Technique 2. Syringe some saline out of the Uro-Tainer M NaCl through the injection port and into the vial to reconstitute the drug. Draw the reconstituted drug back into the syringe and inject into the Uro-Tainer M NaCl, again using the injection port. If a liquid drug is used, syringe it directly into Uro-Tainer M NaCl through the injection port. Remove the tear-away closure ring. Twist and withdraw the cap without touching the sterile connector. Insert the connector into the catheter funnel. Hold Uro-Tainer M NaCl above the level of the bladder and release the clamp to allow the fluid to flow into the catheter by gravity. Close the tube with the clamp. After the required period, release the clamp and hold the bag to have it below the level of the bladder to drain the fluid back into the bag. Clamp the tube and remove the connector from the catheter by turning gently. Connect the catheter to a sterile drainage bag. Uro-Tainer M NaCl is for single use only. Discard the Uro-Tainer M NaCl properly after use. Never act independently without consulting your ambulatory care service or doctor. Carefully read the instructions for use prior to the usage of Uro-Tainer M NaCl product.